Hey Mastercam users, I wanted to take a moment to share a little tidbit that I learned on accident. So I have a situation here that was similar to what I was presented with at work today. I have a solid here representing a fixture I've designed, very simplified, and a solid here representing my workpiece. So I wanted to check my fixture for interference to my workpiece. I used dynamic plane to create myself a plane, roll my Z to the direction that I want my section view, and green check. Now I turn my section view on, and I can see if I have any interferences. But it would be really cool if I could check that whole part. So what I'm going to do is go over to my plane, right click, edit, and then I'm going to grab my Z axis. As I move, my section goes with it, so I can watch for interferences of my entire part across the entire fixture. I hope you find this useful, and if you have any tips or requests for videos, please leave a comment.